Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll explore the Baseus laptop docking station, a multitasking USB-C hub fast charging, rapid data transfer, and much more. Join us as we dive into the features of this impressive device. Versatile connectivity. This docking station offers versatile connectivity with 12 interfaces, including 2 HDMI, a DisplayPort, 3 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, Gigabit Ethernet, audio jack, and a 100-watt power delivery port, making it the ultimate hub for all your devices. Triple monitor setup. This is allowing you to connect up to 3 monitors. Whether you're multitasking or enjoying immersive media, this docking station delivers crisp visuals at 4K 60 high resolution across all screens. Powerful 100-watt power delivery. Keep your laptop fully powered while working with multiple devices. The 100-watt power delivery ensures your laptop stays charged, so you can keep working without interruptions. High-speed 5 Gbps data transfer. With USB-A and USB-C ports offering up to 5 Gbps data transfer speeds, you can enjoy lightning-fast file exchanges, whether you're moving large documents, videos, or high-resolution images. Gigabit Ethernet for reliable internet. Stay connected with reliable high-speed internet through the Gigabit Ethernet port, ensuring seamless online browsing, video conferencing, and downloading without any slowdowns. If you're ready to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow, this dock is a must-have. Check out the link below for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.